Hey, what's up, guys? It's Ash. All right, so continuing my daily blogs. Today's video is just kind of two parts about when to work and when not to work, and how to work efficiently. Actually, today's Saturday. We had a pretty great day with the family. Went did a bunch of garage sales, and I checked on a couple of the agents, just stopped by, say hello, see how they were doing with their open houses, but primarily just hung out the family. But really, what I want to talk to you guys about is efficiency of working. And in today's day and age, more than ever, it feels like everyone's looking to buy leads, buyer leads, this kind of leads, that kind of leads, like leads. But really, what no one's teaching is, what do you do when you get those leads? What do those leads even mean? How are you interacting? One of the biggest, takeaways I would say in my career and how I've been able to help my agents is really express to them is, go do open houses. Stop spending all this money to buy leads. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not against buying leads, but the problem is most people don't follow up, and most people don't really even know what the script is or how to talk to them. So what I try to preach on is, go do open houses. Go put yourself in an environment where you can meet real people, shaking hands, whether they're serious or not serious. You still have the opportunity to role play in real life, which is really great, because on an open house it's zero pressure for you, zero pressure for the buyer, because they're at an open house. They just want to browse. They want to see what it's about. Now you have an opportunity there to actually make a lasting impression. What I usually try to follow up on the principles of, what value are you providing to them? Are you more than just opening a door? Are you more than just giving them quick information that's readily obvious, or are you actually giving them something of? Okay, I stopped that video real quick. I'm back. Basically, what I was getting at is, stop buying these leads until you're prepared to actually work those leads. And by working them, I mean, like, do you actually know how to connect with them? Do you actually know what you're saying? Do you actually know how to interact with them? Because if not, those leads are, I don't know, almost borderline worthless. So today's video is, don't undervalue the potential of open houses. Okay, so I'm gonna wrap up today's video. If I could give you advice, two takeaway advices is, don't buy leads right now until you actually know how to work those leads. And two, go work open houses. If you don't have any open houses, go and get them. It's kind of like the saying, like, if you don't have 20 minutes to meditate a day, then you should be meditating for an hour. If you don't have an open house that you can work today, then you need to do whatever you got to do to go get an open house. Ask another agent in your office, can you work one of their listings? Go in real value. Go operate those things. Go shake hands. Go talk. Go work open houses. If you did anything in your career for the rest of the year that causes you to spend very little money, but more or less you're spending time in real place, real value, open houses, please don't underestimate the value of open houses. Honestly, I just a quick rule of thumb is, I tell everybody in our office, if you're willing to do at least 50 open houses a year, and honestly, you should be doing them every Saturday and Sunday, even in bad weather, until you can have a pipeline of 3 to 4 closings minimum every single month. Don't spend any more leads. Get in people's face, understand what tonality means, understand how to connect with them, have value to provide, shake hands, talk with them, real life connection. So my biggest hope for you is, if I can give you one piece of main advice here to follow, is open houses. All right, guys, talk to you soon, and I hope you make it a great day. Day 4 blogging out.